And I got in Uganda. When they were not party, when sitting here, and we were put them up with the young man,
I heard there's a demonstration in Canada. I'm telling that ours has taken them over. By the time getting home, they come to sell under the top.
But let us put it this way. Let us not compete. Let us not compete.
No. What we say, we don't want it on the same day.
Okay.
No, it's not good.
Okay. No, that's okay.
We want it on different days. But those people, we had ours first. I think also they want it on the same day. We want it to be, different areas so that the pressure is there every day.
Kato, I'm trying to talk to Mrs. And I like soldiers. Soldiers to come for.
We can go for
barbecue.
Sorry?
Barbecue at home. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. We need to get I'm the youngest of the twins. I'm also called Kato.
So when I'm here, he's at home right now. They always say, oh, small boy, stop, shut up.
Thanks for coming. She told me there's this one. She kept asking questions. And I nearly thought, she from Uganda, because she's from Uganda, maybe I'm from Uganda, no, Zambia. Finally, I told her our successes last year. She told me, why she can apply it in our country? I didn't know which country she was. And she kept recording. It's consistency. That is all. BBC, that's what we did at BBC. Keep going. 6 times the media. BBC has behaved. We brought them in line.
Exactly.
If you want to send you an account of our successes.
I do have them.
Yeah, wait.
Now
I have a full analysis.
Anita Mong is.
I have to have my Kabaka. I'm not feeling very well.
Is that the day
This thing has not gone for 3-4 weeks.
No, there's the one that is 100 days.
But this is the one that brought
abo be bannayuganda bawangalira mu ggwanga erya Canada olunaku olwaleero eyiye ku Uganda Embassy abaagala okwekalakaasa okulaga obutali bumativu bwabwe babooza nti Ssaabasajja Kabaka ali luddawa okuva ebigambo lwe batandika okuyitingana nga bagamba nti Ssaabasajja Kabaka wa Buganda yawambibwa ewali mukungu w'emmengo yali avuddeyo kulaga bulambulukufu ku nsonga ya Ssaabasajja Kabaka nga ne Katikkiro Charles Peter Mayiga gwe twandisuubidde yandibadde atuwa information entuufu naye engeri gyayogeramu ebintu bino obutuufu bibuzaabuza bannayuganda kyabafudde bagamba nti kabeeyibwe ku embasi ya Uganda balage obutali bumativu bwabwe oba oliawo banaava ne batunyonnyola ebituufu ebikwata ku Ssaabasajja Kabaka wa Buganda wadde nga kuli gutyo nti mu Canada bali mu kwekalakaasa naye ate n'abannayuganda abawangalira mu ggwanga erya Amerika nabo basuubiza okukola ekintu kyekimu n'abawangalira mu ggwanga erya Ukraine era nabo bwe batyo bagamba nti balina okwekalakaasa okutuusa nga abali emmengo bavudde nga bakagamba bulambulukufu ekyebikwata ku Ssaabasajja Kabaka wa Buganda era bwe baba batukakasa nti Ssaabasajja ali bulungi wakiri bamuggyeyo alabikeko eri abantu be obubaka bwatuusa awo bajja kuleeterawo okwekalakaasa naye bwe kinaaba nga tekikoleddwa bwe kityo tebagenda kussa mukono kubanga balina okulwanira eddembe lya Ssaabasajja Kabaka kuba ye waali tajja asobola kwerwanira
BBC, that's what we did at BBC.
Yeah.
Keep going. 6 times
Yeah.
the media. BBC has behaved. We brought them in line.
Exactly.
If you want,
But
to,
they're still-
if you
they're
want me
still-
to send you an account of our successes.
I do have them. I do have them.
Yeah, wait.
Now,
I have a full analysis.
Anita Mong is.
I have to have my Kabaka. I'm not feeling very well.
Is that the day you?
Yeah, this thing has not gone for 3-4 weeks.
No, there's the one that is 100 days.
Yeah, but this is the one that brought. I was coughing like
They're saying there's one that is over 100
67
days.
body. I'm not in a hurry today. You can buy anything for me. Today has been a success.
Yeah.
Canada will have to fight. But Canada brings numbers. Because I know my friends told me we are coming 400 to 500 today.
And that is to me.
No, the competition is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't. If they can do it, let them do it. That's all we need. We need actually a uniform thing from every country.
The other thing, they shouldn't have done it today. They should have done it the other Friday. So we spread it out thin for Museveni to know. Because today you'll be with the remote, Canada, New York, Washington are doing what?
She was here looking at. Because that is a snapshot, and that is one thing Rodney is very good at getting.
I like mirror. I'll call Florence. She will have to pay 50 pounds for not turning up.
Florence.
My daughter.
Oh yeah, no, she's busy. She will have turned up. She will have turned up.
My agent.
Yeah.
That one is a government.
Yeah. Maybe I need to start making my way back.
Oh,
Yeah, because I'm organizing a curry night for the men. So I need to go back, print the list, and straight away head on. Maybe after this song, but your phone is on here. Somebody can connect on.
yeah, I can do it.
Yeah.
Kato is not very active. Kato is not active. I'll do it. Give it another 10 minutes and then I can connect to Kato. She shocked me. Keto. Can I buy more condoms?
that's enough for now.
No, that's a new one.
Okay, that's okay. Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, but I can buy more condoms.
that's
They cost
okay.
£3.
Yeah, that's okay.
I'll bring more
People
condoms.
power. People power.
Oh,
People power. People power.
The turn-up was good. The turn-up was good.
good. Yeah.
For me, I don't care. If we only turn up with Katoa and Desmond, I don't care. What I care is Museveni to know we are here.
No.
And we are coming
And
for
the
you.
thing is,
You know, that makes sense. And what I've known,
yeah,
people in UK,
yeah.
98% of rape, 7
People power.
more than anything.
Who do wakataka meeting wakata kwawo? Banange who do? Who do diverting abantu bonna bamazeewo?
Very factor. You know what she said?
Who do?
Who would stop that meeting, bring everybody here? That makes sense.
Thank you everyone for coming today.
Even if she's the devil.
People power.
Our power.
People
Don't
power.
yourself just to make them
We stand
Stall.
today at
Stall
the
it.
Uganda House at the Trafalgar Square.
She asked me,
Today
why
for a
don't you call
reason.
me? Why don't you call
Uganda
me?
has
I
been
said, I think your phone also has a call.
been
Obviously.
undergoing a silent
She brings
genocide
blame-
by
blames.
General Museveni, who is a dictator. He's been a dictator for 40 years.
Who's the body?
And that's why every Ugandan
Full
is
volume.
saying that we need
Yeah,
change. It's
you
been
need-
a long
you need to just-
time coming.
Yeah, the only
But
place,
some of the
if
people
you have a
who
beard
don't
here,
understand
Yeah.
put
what
it here.
No, you need no. Put it direct like that.
Yeah,
That is,
but you put it here because I talk in church.
Uganda is both.
I'll show you my church because
the king
I'm the
and
Swahili
also the
interpreter.
president, just like England is. But the king of Uganda has disappeared
It's
for
not
some
working.
time. So there is a group of people who are saying that where is our king? And that's why you'll see that some people are wearing Uganda attire, which is the Thomas. Most probably you could have seen some people wearing kanzu. So this is our tradition. Some people are saying that where is the king? And that's why we stand here. We have a king, Oechitiwa Kabaka Muenda Muteri, the 68.
it's like winter. We are in winter.
He has not been around for a
Because it's a
very long
sun star.
time.
He works
And
in
people are
Central
wondering,
London.
why?
Yeah. That one and the other one
Last
is
year.
in the heart. They all
Because
work.
we are going under
They're supposed to
dictatorship,
move
you
along.
can't rule
That
out
one doesn't want to appear.
anything.
He keeps sending me money
Anything.
and saying
So
things.
this is why we come
know
out
people send
and
money.
say that, guess what? Uganda Kingdom
Yeah,
and the
that's the
leadership
time.
of Uganda, please come out and give
I've told him to.
because when he
from
gives us
today,
one
let him
explanation
send
in
the
the
money to
morning,
Pato.
then give another in the afternoon, then somebody else comes and gives us another thing. People are confused and they're wondering, where's the king? This is what I'm trying to explain because there's so many statements that don't really add up. That's why people are saying that no. We need to come out, raise our voices because this is our ultimate responsibility to speak. It has been there for many years asking for their king when they haven't seen him. When they haven't seen him for a while, it is their responsibility to come out and say that, wait a minute, where is King Charles? So the Ugandans and the Baganda are saying that, where is our king, Ronald Muwenda Muteri? They just want to know what is going on. It's not a problem. Please don't make it a problem. People are simply asking a
I read these commentaries and they
where
tell
is the king? That's why you see some people are wearing this attire. Kwanga Tulimu dictatorship, you can't rule out anything. Because the it's happened before. We have seen a king killed. So this is why people are not content and they're not comfortable not knowing where the king is. That's why you're going to see this attire. We have some people like Olivia Lutaya. She has been in prison for more than 2 years. This girl simply supported Robert Chagulanyi, and she says that we want change. Alongside Michael Semudu, Mohammed
And she thinks that's a lot of money.
Hassan
Her papa is go to everything. But then I told me she also buys them. So it's
Mustafa
good to
Nwemba,
duplicate this.
Babas Moses, Kanata, Sanya, Davis Mutawa,
I've sponsored Sanya with all my friends.
Chiwanka,
He's stubborn.
Olivia
You know the one they
Taya,
put out
Stefan,
in the important shelf.
Masaka,
He is a stubborn
Masa,
That's why they can't release him.
and many others. They have disappeared for more than a year, and nobody's giving us answers. Among the many problems in Uganda, people are disappearing on a daily basis. Somebody, for those of you in England who
Food
serve
is
the
a distraction.
Robert Chagulanyi is our leader. And somebody made an answer for him at the Baptist because he was a nominee for
Food is a distraction.
People's President documentary. And guess what? The person who made an answer was arrested simply because he made an answer. What kind of nonsense can that be? This is what we call upon every single person, please. Regardless of your religion.
No, working
Your
for that guy.
tribe, what you believe in. The
Becoming
common
bad.
problem in Uganda is Museveni.
Most of the central
It doesn't matter if you're in Uganda. It doesn't matter if you're in Choli. It doesn't matter if you're in Soka.
Exactly.
It doesn't matter. Every single person in Uganda is undergoing the dictatorship of Museveni.
Is
This
a
is why we
Nubian
need to join our hands on a common cause. I may not agree with you on a certain
Sometimes.
statement,
Sometimes
but
I
that
don't have to
doesn't
listen
mean
to
that
the
it doesn't stand.
because I will never eat.
If I have a problem with my me, and you stand with me, then why don't I also stand with you on your cause? Let us join hands as Ugandans, please, in unity. Let us unite on a common cause, and that is the dictatorship of Museveni. For once and for all, please put the bloody differences on the side. Stop people power.
That's what it's
Let
right.
us put our differences in religion, in tribes,
Good
in
place.
ideology, in anything,
And
and
this
to
is another
surrender
way to do
them. And that unity is the only way we can stand and outseek the dictatorship of
Voilà.
Museveni. If we don't unite,
Katukakkanya ekyakabaka busisizaawo.
we will
Sooka
so
obuuze ku
rigid.
Desmond.
And I believe in this, and I am not willing to change, and I'm going to work
Mwami wo.
on everybody has a right to believe.
Era omwagala nnyo, nze twamwagala nnyo.
If we don't stand
Omwagala
on
nnyo.
unity, the world will win.
Nze
We
tewajjagala.
cannot outsink Museveni as the
Kale.
We cannot outsink
Eh,
Museveni as the
mwe mugenda naye
We
ffe tugenda
cannot
nayo
outsink
emyaka 14.
Museveni as We cannot outsink
Nze eba
Museveni
kwata
as
ku nze.
the
Ekyandi ku myaka kwenza kikubaazi.
We cannot stand outsink Museveni as political parties. What is going to remove Museveni's people
But
power?
don't ever do. The kings that have gone for Kakweza, we come from it.
Why don't we join on that? Regardless of I don't believe in what you say. As long as we're speaking change, we need to unite on that one cause.
I told her.
Because that is our problem. That is our
But
reason.
also, like,
Is
you
to
said,
remove
no,
the
I've
dictator.
noticed this.
And we can do it if we unite.
I said no.
If we continuously eating each other and fighting each other, we cannot do this. It's a dead cause. I repeat, if we don't stand on the same cause, it's a dead cause. We shall continuously shout. We call upon every single Ugandan. Please share this message. Please go on Twitter. Please write. If you can write, if you can speak, if you can sing, King Saga is singing. Join him. Stop going into the nitty-gritty right.
He's a Uganda.
Question finding one problem after the other? Why do we always have to find a problem in every solution?
He's so brave.
My name is Patricia.
This is me. I know now he has come out.
He's taken off the glass.
He'll come out now.
Bad now.
Taken over
Those who
Jabra.
have been asking, she landed from the UK. Namugala Baagala Bekalakaasizza. Kabaka. They were aware of Kabaka. They were the Mullah. Masquebo, Embassy, Uganda. I think I know when I'm going to be
Yeah, mine is fully charged.
What you already did. People power. Our power. To Chigali or Banna. No, not to Chigali.
Hello, people power, our power. We're here
Tell
to
him.
mind the world. If you haven't watched the movie,
This
that's why the people's president. I urge you to ask, why are these people here? Why are they holding Ugandan flag in front of the Uganda house? We come here from time to time to raise our concerns
This one,
about our
thank you
freedom
for the
of in
pills.
Uganda.
The family planning pills.
Recently,
You know, I don't need to have more children. Two is already enough. But I hear
Rwanda.
it has.
The situation
You are in
why
the
there are
rush.
so many
I would have bought
refugees
you
here.
champagne.
Why we keep on having refugees here? It's because of operations back home in those countries. So, the refugees are a problem in the UK. However, what is causing this? The UK government is being urged to stop dealing with oppressors in Africa.
I'll see you.
Yeah. So today we are rushing. When I wanted to buy you champagne, I'm not buying this local drink. I was going to buy you champagne.
No, we'll have the next one. But what I'm trying to think is I'm trying to organize a barbecue.
Everybody. You'd have 60 of them.
Well, have you heard the rumor? Done magic on Monday. Brought the first lady
Where?
at my place, in our place.
Where?
You know, the concert was on Saturday. Then the Monday they came. Over 50 people. They came around, yes. They ate all. I'll send you a video where Kabaka now was
Some
eating
of
his
them
version.
gang violence, some of them just brutal handle.
People.
And
Came with them
shamelessly, we have the European Union in Uganda, and they have a human rights office that has been cancelled. I mean, eliminated in Uganda. And the Human Rights Commission in Uganda works for the interests of dictator Museveni. Same as we have the ambassador here of Uganda,
My wife was going.
Namisha Madhuvan, Miss Namisha Madhuvan. We come here from time to time since the people's will has been destroyed generations.
Send me the
We
video.
have never had
Actually,
change
none
for
of
many,
them
many
was
years
a
in
good thing
Uganda.
that
Which
done
means
magic.
there's no democracy in Uganda. However,
They don't know who I
there's
am
a
completely. But the
Prime
select
Minister
David
of
was
Uganda
telling me. I think that man is from Zimbabwe.
she doesn't have the power. She works for the interests
The good
of
thing, your name is not pronounced. They always put Kato's name at it. But for you,
she's called Anita Mongo.
But
I
I
told
was
Harriet that don't ever put this. If this man's name has disappeared, leave it out.
Corruption by the UK government.
I want
However,
that
the
video
people of Uganda are saying that the real culprit is General Museveni. He's the most corrupt person in the world at the moment. He's one of the richest
Send me the original.
dictators in
I'll send you
Africa.
that one.
And
Anyway,
he has declared that he works for
Yeah.
for what you do
himself
for work and
himself and
God
his
in my
family.
country.
So he doesn't represent the interest of
You